I visited the Sipi Falls in Kapchorwa district, which is located in Uganda. After a drive through lush, greeny and winding roads, we finally made it to the breathtaking paradise in eastern Uganda. I couldn't believe on this, but then this was the best I've ever seen. We started with the guide hike, 3 stunning waterfalls, but I got to see 1 waterfall. Sipi is just more than a destination. It's a feeling one you carry with long after the water stops. I'm not brave enough. You can abseil right next to the waterfalls or slow down things with a local coffee tour. The aroma, the views and the people around, it's just unforgettable. I highly recommend you guys to come and check on this hidden gem. See you on the next spot.